Hello everybody, so I'm going to make a two-part video which will show you how to make a time-lapse video. The first part is going to show you how to shoot the images, and the second part is going to show you how to edit them using DaVinci Resolve, which is free software. Now our final video is going to be made up of hundreds of different photographs all put together. So each second of footage is going to have 24 photographs in. To work out how many we need, it's easier for me to round this up to 25. So each set of 25 pictures is going to be 1 second. So for this one I want to shoot a 6-second video. I'm going to need 6 lots of 25 photographs, which is 150 photographs. So once we've finished, we want a folder that looks like this. Now each one of these pictures were taken 5 seconds apart, and if I click on one picture and go through to the next, we can see it changes very slowly. But if we were to flick through 24 of these in a second, we would get a very smooth movement. And this is what our final video is going to be. So to shoot the images, I'd recommend getting something like this, which is a timer remote. Now I've done a product review on this, so I can link you the description down below to that video, and I've also done a video on how to use this remote, which you may find useful if you like this same remote. Okay, now the likelihood is we're also going to need a tripod. In the pictures I'm actually taking for this video, I decided to put the camera on the ground and I just used the tripod to prop the lens up. But if you're going to be shooting anywhere where you haven't got anything to sit the camera on, you will need a tripod. And it's probably not even worth mentioning, you're also going to need a camera to take still shots. So when I'm shooting the clouds, I'm going to want a fast shutter speed because obviously I'm shooting towards the sky and it's going to be bright. I'm going to leave a 2 to 5 second interval between each picture. This will make sure the clouds are moved enough to pick up a nice smooth movement. So the next thing I need to do is then head outside and find what we want to take a picture of. Now I walked through a local park and I wanted to shoot with the grass in the foreground and the clouds in the background, and I found a nice little spot here, and this is where I decided to set up. And I've decided I want 6 seconds of footage, so to do this I'm going to need 150 frames roughly. Now I've set my remote to take 150 frames, I've got 5 seconds between each picture. I'm just going to start the timer and sit back and relax for the next 12 minutes. So once the 12 minutes is over, I've got the 150 pictures. I'm going to take these home, I'm going to put them on my computer. Now I have a set of pictures that are ready for editing. Now it depends what you're taking pictures of the intervals you need between the pictures and also the exposure time you're going to need. For example, I took this video here of some stars. To do this, I took a 30-second exposure and I had no time between the pictures. I could literally just lock the shutter release on and it just continuously took the pictures one after the other for a 30-second exposure. So where I'd use a 30-second exposure, it meant the star had moved a sufficient amount to take the next shot. So the exposure and the time between intervals is going to change from subject to subject, and this is something you're going to need to play with and have fun with. It's at the end of the day we're doing this for fun, so why not go out and just see what you come up with. So guys, this is the first video. I hope you found this useful and everything's clear. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. So I hope to see you in the next video, which is going to show you how to edit the photos.